If you click this button once, you will get $49, and if you click the button 10 times, you will get $490. This seems very easy, doesn't it? So watch the video to understand how you can do this. For the first step, we need to get ideas for the content we will create. So we will use ChatGPT and ask it questions like, give me 50 most popular ancient story ideas for social media, or give me 50 stories about robotics for social media. Through these stories, we will create content for social media without showing our faces, and we will be able to earn thousands of dollars every month, like these channels that make videos similar to the ones we will create, earning thousands of dollars each month. Some channels specialize only in short clips. The matter is very easy. You will create content and publish it on social media platforms like TikTok and YouTube, especially as the content is often like this.
Execution method of every empire. In ancient Rome, prisoners were fed to makeover customs across different empires. In ancient Egypt, eye makeup was the sexy as both men and women applied. 3 instances which prove Alexander was the ultimate dog, when the Athenians refused to attribute divine honors to Alexander.
As I told you before, all of this is done with a push of a button, and the great thing is that it is free and available worldwide. To create content like what you have seen before, we will use the website Clipwise.ai.com. In the second step, you will learn how to use the Clipwise.ai website and how we will create successful content by using it. Clipwise is an AI tool that creates viral-ready short videos in just 3 minutes. The platform handles everything end-to-end, from script writing and image generation to human-like voiceovers and overlays, eliminating the need for manual editing. To create an account on the site, you will click on Create Your First Video, and then you will register using your Google account, or you can use an email and password of your choice. This is very easy. The site link, by the way, is in the description with a 60% discount on annual plans. After logging in, the website interface appears like this, and here we will create our videos. You will find many different formats here, the first of which is AI Viral and New Year Clips. There are business videos and Reddit style, and here simply Clipwise AI offers a Reddit content feature that helps you explore and analyze popular content on Reddit easily, enabling you to find the most engaging ideas and posts to feed your creativity. Also, in the end, we have the quiz feature that allows you to create interactive and engaging tests tailored to your audience, enhancing interaction and making your content more dynamic. To produce a video, we will need a description for the video, in which we explain exactly what we want, or you can use a link to a video from YouTube and the site will handle the rest. In our case, we will use a description to produce the video, but before that, I will explain some features that the site offers, including the language, where you can produce the video in the language you want. For me, I will choose English. There is also the video duration. I will choose 60 seconds to get the best result. There are also additional settings like tone, style, and audience. For me, I will leave them on automatic mode for now. In order to get the description we want, we will return again to ChatGPT, where we had previously asked it to give us 50 most popular ancient story ideas for social media. Now we will choose one of these stories as an example. I will select this story, and then I will place it in this space between these 2 symbols to have ChatGPT provide me with what I want. After that, ChatGPT will do the rest and give us a description for a short video in order to create the content. By the way, you will also find below the video the command I wrote for ChatGPT. Okay, now we will copy these paragraphs only because they are what we need, and then place them on Clipwise AI. After I copied those paragraphs and put them on Clipwise AI, I am specifically updating these paragraphs. We will now create the video. First, we will choose a visual theme. You can click on View All to see all visual themes, but I will choose Cinematic, and then I will click on Create. Here it will give us the voice option we want. You can click on See All to choose the voice that suits you. As for me, I will choose this voice, and you can listen to it by clicking here. The site also allows you to use an avatar, and you can choose what suits you, as there are many of them, but for me, I don't need one right now. But here it will show you the images that will be used for each scene. You can check them, and if you don't like an image, you can recreate it, or you can replace it with an image from your device, and it will change the image for that paragraph. As for me, I will not change anything, and will continue by clicking Next. At this stage, we will choose some settings, starting with music, where you can choose from those available here, or click on See All to select what suits you. You can also upload your own music, and here you will find music volume, which you can adjust as you wish. The same applies to video speed. Here, when you activate the brand feature, it will allow you to upload your logo, and also other features that, for me, I won't use, but they will remain useful if you need them. You will also find some settings related to the font, such as its type, position, and color. I will leave everything as it is because I trust the website's choices, but you can change anything you want to achieve the desired result. Here you will find video overlay. This feature allows you to choose some effects that will appear on the video. You can click on See All to show you all the available effects. For me, I think the lightning effect is very good for the video, so I will keep it and click on Next. In this step, it will process the data to produce the video. We will wait a little, and we will get the video. You can watch it to check if it is as you want. If there is something you want to change in the video, you can edit it by clicking on Edit. If it is good, you can download it for publication. The site will also provide you with a video prompt description you can use with the video while publishing it. There is also a way to earn money on Clipwise.ai, which is the referral system, where you can earn up to $3,412 annually per new referral. What's great is that the referral system allows you to earn 30% on every subscription renewal made by the people you invited. If you scroll down a bit, the site will explain exactly what you need to do and how much you will earn in return. It's simple, and to do this, you will click on Start Earning Today, register on the site, and get your referral link. If you plan to use the site to create videos and profit from them, you will need to upgrade your account and purchase a plan. There are 3 plans available: Starter, Creator, and Business, each with its own price and different features. Choose what suits you best based on your needs. There is also a great offer, a 60% discount for annual templates. So hurry up and buy your packages now. In the third step, you will need to follow the channel to receive the new videos. See you later, and thank you for following.